bungalow unit of Mahogany South. Nanay parking 3 meters wide. 3 meters na dire from the road to the house. So let's go. Ang door is steel door. Wow. Buhay, high ceiling. So ang kitchen, ang apil ng countertop ug ang under cabinet. So muna ang first bedroom. Then I common toilet and bath. Then mo ang master's bedroom. Na may sariling toilet and bath. High ceiling kayo, mga around 2.7. Diri sa sala, taas kayong ceiling. Then, diri sa likod, may sliding door. Oops. Sliding door. Then, napaka-space diri sa likod na 2 meters for dirty kitchen, lanay, or something. Then, diri, padulong sa garage. Wow.